Electricity. It has already penetrated into every aspect of our lives. Every second, there are countless lights lighting up the world. Every day, PISEN's products provide power for hundreds of millions of smart mobile devices. "20 years ago, PISEN first explored the field of electric energy endurance. It is far away in the cold Antarctic.
那在2004年的时候，我们去
南极，
因为极度的寒冷，电池呢本来用两个小时啊，几个小时的，几分钟就不行了。这时候呢就急需就是说一种解决的方法。
Using external batteries to power electronic products, PISEN has customized and developed a prototype of a power bank for China's 7+2 Antarctic Mountaineering Expedition Team. In 2005, PISEN commercialized the first generation of mobile power banks. In 2007, the so-called power banks came out and entered the mainstream consumer market.
那么充电宝经过这么几年，智能手机普及以后带来的高速增长，实际上已经发展成为可能每一个用户不可或缺的一个随身的设备。你比如各种外观的充电宝，还有各种功能的。那么从未来来看，可能会更多的向个性化或者多功能化，那还有很广的空间。
Apart from accessories of intelligent mobile devices, PISEN's diversified product portfolio has covered audio and video equipment, power support for smart products, innovative small appliances, in-vehicle and other fields. In the new energy track, PISEN's multi-series energy storage products are the first to occupy the market, making outdoor living more convenient.
我爱户外，但我绝不把风险带回家。
PISEN's external battery outdoor power supply series, equipped with Philian's lithium batteries, is designed to solve the problems of heavy, expensive, and unsafe outdoor electricity for consumers. It can be replaced infinitely, reducing the cost by half, and truly realizing the use of portable outdoor electricity. Shouldering due social responsibility, PISEN is devoted to upgrading industrial and commercial power systems and innovating and developing PISEN industrial and commercial energy storage integrated cabinets. Through peak valley arbitrage, the annualized income of a single unit can reach $15,000, helping industrial and commercial enterprises reduce costs and increase efficiency. Nowadays, PISEN's products are exported to more than 70 countries and regions around the world, loved and chosen by more people. PISEN is always committed to using technology to build a smart and beautiful life in all scenarios. Quality is the root, innovation is the foundation, and PISEN has been striving on the road of self-challenge for 20 years. In the future, PISEN invites you to join us and play with full power to bring you more excellent products and services. PISEN, the victory lies in the courage to fight. Move forward with electricity.